Ways of job application letter writing.
Let's see sample letter.
Gaurada Municipality, Jhapa, March 24, 2025. The proprietor, National Book Center, Kathmandu, Nepal. Subject: an application for the post of a shop assistant. Dear Sir, through the advertisement published in the Kathmandu Post on March 16, 2025, I came to know that your shop is in need of a shop assistant. As I possess required qualification, I wish to apply for it. I passed SLC with distinction from Pragati Secondary School in 2072. After SLC, I joined Nepal Custom College and passed the first year with first division. At present, I am preparing for the exam of my second year. I have got good working knowledge about dealing with customers. A year before, I had worked as a shop assistant in Vidyarthi Pustak Bhandar. I have good command over English and Hindi. I can handle books and customers properly. I look forward to hearing from you. If I am called for an interview, I would be present with original certificates. I would try my best to satisfy the need of your shop and the demands of customers if I am selected. Yours faithfully, Navaraj Thapa. Butwal 3, Rupandehi, 24 January 2024. The Principal, ABC Secondary School, Butwal. Subject: application for the post of an English teacher. Dear Sir, with due respect, I would like to state to you that having known of the post of English teacher lying vacant in your school from the Kandipur dated 18/01/2024, I wish to offer my candidacy for the same post in response to your advertisement, considering myself as a capable and worthy candidate. I am a young and energetic person of 25 years. I have completed my post-graduation in English from TU and have experience of working as a secondary school English teacher for 2 years. In my teaching experience, I have come across various challenging situations with kids and parents, and I have learned to handle all of them well. I have enjoyed connecting with the children and being a part of their growth and development as considerate and intelligent individuals. If you select me for this post, I assure you that I shall leave no stone unturned to serve your school under your kind guidance. I have attached my resume and experience certificate for your kind perusal and hope to hear from you in this regard. Yours sincerely, Zenith.
Guiding instruction for job application letter writing.
Heading: Sender's address plus date.
Addressing to the head of the department, the manager, the principal, the director.
Name and address of the organization.
Subject and application for the post of A/N. Salutation: Dear Sir/Madam. Introduction: introduce the main purpose of your letter in a formal way. Body reference to qualification and experience.
Closing: I look forward to hearing positive response from you soon.
Closing salutation: yours sincerely, sincerely yours, yours faithfully, faithfully yours.
Signature: sign your name at the end.
Study the given application.
Task for further practice.
watching.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.